So hey guys, welcome back to Tech Custom. In this video, I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. As you can see, let's add the specification of this ROM. As you can see, this is the Redmi 5 Rozi Redmi 5 model Android version. You will get the Android version 11 in this ROM. As you can see, this is the Pixel Plus UI. This is the best Android 11 ROM which I like most in customization also, and pure Android, stock Android. As you can see, this is kernel is Pixel Experience kernel installed in this ROM. 11 April build time, as you can see, Sunday. As you can see, the Selnex status is enforcing. Here is the version. As you can see, all the detailed information is written here. We will also check out the changes of this ROM. What are the changes in this ROM in the new build? As you can see, you will get Android R uptime, as you can see. So let's check all the features of this ROM. What are the features and how much is the performance and how much is the performance of this ROM. We will also check the Call of Duty performance. First, let me show you the Wi-Fi is working perfectly without any problem. Wi-Fi, hotspot is everything is working perfectly. If you want to install this ROM, simply you can flash this ROM via Orange Fox Recovery. I have successfully flashed this ROM via Orange Fox Recovery, and Xdos recovery will be updated in the description, so you can check the description or in the comment section, pinned comment section. First, let's check the fingerprint and the face unlock. How fast is the fingerprint and the face unlock of this ROM? Then we will check out the changes. So as you can see, vibration is working perfectly and the fingerprint is also working perfectly accurately with the fine without any problem. Let's check the speed. Tap. As you can see, speed of the fingerprint is very good. As you can see, lightning fast fingerprint. There is no delay in the fingerprint and face unlock. Now we will check out the face unlock. Let me apply the face unlock first. So here you can see we have successfully applied the face unlock. Let's check the speed of the face unlock. So according to me, the speed of the face unlock is very good. There is no delay or lag in the performance. In the video you will see that the performance is a little bit low because due to the lighting problem. Else performance is very good. And gestures is working. As you can see, here is the gestures. You can apply all the three gestures are working. And no account. As you can see, you can easily log in via Google account. No need to flash any open gaps. There is no need. And the sound is also working perfectly. Sound is very loud. As you can see, you can hear. As you can see, sound is great. And here are the changes of this ROM. As you can see, here are the changes. Officially community. As you can see, this is the official ROM. First, latest April security patch. As you can see, brand new OTA updater added. As you can see, system updates is the brand new OTA update. Not checked right now. As you can see, added in full vibration option is also added in this ROM. Wire up default font with font engine. As you can see, these all are the changes. Here is the ask pin for the shutdown reboot. Let's check ask pin for shutdown and the reboot. I want to power off my device on the lock screen. As you can see, it is not working. It will require fingerprint or the face unlock to unlock the device and reboot your device. Add activity indicator to the Wi-Fi icon. Implement OS, Oxygen OS style, small data type icon, QH decrease data size. As you can see, all the changes will be written in the description, so you can check the description also. As you can see, port log screenshot is also available. As you can see, added there some. And here you can see, here is the pixelizer. Here is the customization of your Android 11 ROM. As you can see, double tap to sleep 4G instead of LTE आपको मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. Or here you can see traffic indicator is also available on the status bar if you want to enable it. And here is the lock screen setting for fingerprint when you reboot your device. As you can see, you can enable it. Screen of animation is also available. It is working perfectly without any problem. Here is the extra button. Swap buttons is also available if you enable the 3 button or 2 button. Here is the power menu. Lockdown is also available. Advanced restart is also available. If you want to enable it, you can enable it. And the battery performance of this ROM is also very good, and there is no problem in the battery performance. You will get the better battery backup in this ROM if you use for daily usage. I recommend this ROM for daily usage if you want to use. This is the best stable ROM. And dark theme is also available. As you can see, you can apply it according to your use, whichever you want. Let me show you other options. Turn on now. There is no other themes available, only dark theme is available, and the brightness is working, automatic brightness is also working, night light is also working perfectly without any problem. Icon tuner is also available in the status bar if you want to tune your icon in the status bar. Auto rotate screen is also available, as you can see. You can easily apply according to your use. And here is the some styles available custom. You can custom created font is also available. Next icons available, as you can see. Color is also available, whichever you want to apply you can apply, select it from here. And shape is also available. There are many shapes available, as you can see. Then you can apply easily without any problem. There is no problem in applying. And the wallpapers, here is only one wallpaper available. And here is the some of the clock customization. If you want to use any clock, you can easily use without any problem. Let's check the sneaky first, if the analog works or not. Analog will work, but it will take few minutes to apply. All the digital clocks works perfectly. Let me show you this one. As you can see, it works perfectly fine without any problem. If you want to use this ROM, I recommend. There is no always on display available in this ROM. As you can see, there is no option of the always on display AOD. So all these are the features of this ROM. If you want full feature, you can check it according to your user. You can check all the features according to your user. And here are the few applications installed in this ROM. OpenCaps is already installed. Here is the Pixel Plus. UI papers is also available here. These are the wallpapers. Safety, as you can see. Now let's check the Antutu score. How much is the score of this ROM in the Antutu benchmark? As you can see, 84,329 better performance score. As CPU is here is the CPU performance score. GPU 95,000 sorry. Here is the memory performance. US data processing speed. Here is the 2.3 increase in the temperature, highest is 36.5 and 2% drop in the battery. As you can see, battery performance is good in this ROM. Not better than Android 10 battery performance. So if you want to install this ROM, you can install this. Now let's check the Call of Duty performance of this ROM. Now let's check the gaming performance of Pixel UI. As you can see, graphic quality is low right now. It is the default graphic quality. Let's get to the setting, if we can change it or not. Controls, audio and the graphics. High frame rate is high, graphic quality is low in this ROM. Now let's check the gaming performance. How is the performance of this ROM in the gaming? Right now, as you can see, it is lagging very much. Let's check when the enemy is nearby. As you can see, performance is right now, performance is a little bit increased. Working great. Performance is right now increasing. Only in the starting we will feel the delay in the delay or lag in the performance. Right now it is working perfectly fine. There is no enemy. There is no enemy. Oh shit. So the performance is overall good in this ROM. I recommend this ROM. But for gaming it is a little bit low. Performance is a little bit low in the gaming. But and if you do not play games, you can install this ROM only when you don't play games. So if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates. I'm an icon, man. My girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.